How to add contacts on iPhone. So basically, there are two ways to do it. The first one is through Contacts app, and the second one is through this green phone app at the bottom of your screen. The first one, you wanna tap on this Contact app, and you wanna click on this plus button on your top right of the screen, and you wanna tap the name you want to add. And you can add the company and then add the phone number, and you can actually add email, add pronouns and others, but eventually you only need to fill the name and the mobile phone, and you can tap done, and there you go. And the second way to do it is clicking on your green phone application and just add a number of the people you want to add, and click this add number and choose whether it was a new contact or it was a contact that already existing before. And there you go. You can just click the name of the people and click done. And after that, you want to check it on the Contacts app. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.